17 years old. When people are enjoying their life, she lost her husband.
They handed their fire for dye, but she used it for lighting of thousand house.
She could not have been assessed, but she chose to flame.
This is not an ordinary story. Guys, this is the story of a Wonder Woman. A lady who lost her husband. A lady who lost her family. A lady who lost everything. But one thing she never lose. Her self-confidence. Guys, the India you are seeing right now, this is all crafted by the bare hand of a mother. Mother Rajmata Ahilya Devi. Guys, by this act, the end of the act, you will believe in yourself. You will believe in God. You will believe in reincarnation of God. And today, my team and me are here for giving you a small contribution of Rajmata Ahilya Bai from our side. I am Lakshya.
I am Krishna.
I am Manish.
Today we will tell you the legacies he has given to India. Let's start from the beginning of legacy.
Date 1733. A king named of Mallarao Holkar visited at Ahmednagar Chondi village, where he sat at 8 years old, feeling poor, hungry at a temple.
He was very impressed by seeing the kindness of cute girl, and he said, "She will be the wife of my son." But unfortunately, at the age of 19, she lost her husband, Khande Rao.
She lost her husband at the age of 19. Ladies and gentlemen, mark the word. 19 years of age, she lost her husband. Let's see the mental trauma of a small girl. But the girl was brave. She was not an ordinary girl. She was so brave that she bravely went for the sati. Sati is basically a process where a widow fire herself in the pyre of fire. But let's see what happened next.
Ahilya Bai stepped towards fire for performing sati, taking her own life. But Mallar Rao Holkar gripped her arm and said, "Daughter, if you leave, so who will heal this broken empire?"
Correct. Who will heal this broken empire? No one will heal. A very nice statement by Malhar Rao. From that day, a widow becomes a warrior, a mother becomes a monarch, and a small spark becomes a huge flame. Now, guys, today women has come to the very high level. They are doctors, they're engineers, they're everything. You know how they happened, how they achieved everything? That time when there was no support, how they grow up because of Rajmata Ahilya Bai. Let's see the problems of those era. Patriarchy. Patriarchy, woman belongs to kitchen. A woman is only for baby, producing baby, only for the kitchen. They have no use, they're useless. This was what said by the men that time. When she came to the action, she destroyed this patriarchal system.
Women had no power. They are in the bound to house. But when Ahilya Devi came, she broke the chain of that no power. And she trained 300 women in archery and sword. Her fighter Holkar Stri Sena, India's first all-female military.
No agriculture. She opened 12 schools for girls where they study Sanskrit and Maths.
Now there comes the biggest problem, misogyny. Guys, how can you change the mind of a one person? Mind is something which cannot be changed. That is called misogyny. Misogyny is basically the male mindset regarding female. That time widow were not allowed for anything. The mindset was the main reason. So how she deal with this? Let's see.
In 1767, when Peshwa wrote a letter to her saying a widow cannot rule.
A widow cannot rule. You know what she replied? Widow cannot even rule, they can destroy if they want to. She beautifully written in the letter that my tears will write the legacy of my empire. And with the beautiful quote, she destroyed the misogynistic comment. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this chair. I want to ask you a question. Can you look at this chair and tell me, can you see anything in this chair? Most answer, nothing. There's nothing in this chair. Yeah. This is the same thing a people saw when they looked at widow. Nothing. No sympathy, no love, no compassion, no place to live. They are a piece of shit. That's what people say when they looked at a widow. Thanks to Rajmata Ahilya Bai, she covered that misogynistic comment with the love, with the support, with the kindness. And she secured every widow possible she could. And with that, she has helped a lot of widows. Let's see how she helped widows.
They said a widow has no place to live. But Ahilya Bai built the dharamshalas. Not one, not two, not even 10. She built 500 dharamshalas.
They said widow cannot learn or study. She opened a school, them where they study Sanskrit.
This is what people say. Guys, white is the peace. It is the color of peace. We all know that. But when a girl is thrown in sati, where is the peace?
Where is the peace?
Where is the peace?
Where is the peace? She's destroyed, she's thrown. Thanks to Rajmata Ahilya Bai, who came as a flame and turned this chair into a throne. Guys, today Rajmata Ahilya Bai is not died. She is in every woman. She is in every girl who has that passion of not giving up. That's all from our side. We just want to make sure that please don't forget your history. Always remember your history. With that note, Jai Rajmata Ahilya Bai, Jai Holkar. Thank you.